Keys. You gonna drive the car? Vroom, vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Can I see this? Can I make a call? Boop, 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 boop. Hello? Hi, Lena. Merry Christmas. You want to talk to Maddie? Okay, hold on. It's Lena.
Is it for me?
Good.
Hello. Hi. Yes, Merry Christmas to you too. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Want this opened?
Yeah.
Want your credit card? You gonna buy something? Put it in here. Do you want to see what else Santa brought you? Good job. Put this right here. Go see what else Santa got you. Go look at his presents. Can I hold this? Put it right here. Go ahead. Go see. Go ahead, sit down.
You gonna open it?
No.
Open.
Oh, baby! How did Santa know? Open it? Okay. Isn't she a pretty baby? Let's see. Let's see, how do we get her out of here?
What did Santa bring you?
A baby? You're so lucky. Does that Santa... Give me scissors here. Does that Santa know you or what? He's such a nice man. Guys, we cut the babies. Come here. Oh, and it came with a blankie. This baby came with her own blankie and a hat. Oh, hold the baby's hat. Oh. Come here, come sit with Mama. Want some help? Go ahead, push it down. It's cold. We gotta put the baby's hat on if it's cold out. There we go. Look at that sweet baby and a blankie. You want to give the baby a blankie?
Did you get a baby from Santa?
Oh, look how pretty she is. Is that her blankie? I thought that was her blankie. Can you rock the baby? No. Can you burp the baby? Want me to hold the baby? Oh, you're such a pretty baby. What a pretty baby. Hi. Hello. I see your nose. I see your nose. You want to go see Maddie? Okay, here you go. She's so pretty. Yay! Is she clapping? Yay! She's pretty. Where are her toes? Where are the baby's toes? Those. What's the baby's name? What's the baby's name? Does she have a name? What's baby's name? Oh, she's a dancing baby.
Hi, baby.
Mm. Turn it. Whoa, whoa.
There you go.
Here's your hat. Look how cute she is. Should we open the last one? Last big one from Santa. Want me to hold the baby? Can we open our last one from Santa? Go get it. Go get that last one. Go ahead. Rip it open. You want to just open it right there? Yes? Want me to help you? Go ahead.
The reindeer.
Reindeer. Santa ate the cookie. That's right. You're doing good ripping that.
What is it? That side. Oh my goodness. What is it? What is it?
How'd you know what this did? Whoa!
Is it a wagon? Should we put baby in it? Ready?
Take her for a ride. Can you take her for a ride? Come on.
Let's go for a ride. Want to get Minnie Mouse? Yes, let's put Minnie in there. Put Minnie in the wagon. Go for a ride. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Want to pull him in the kitchen? Let's go in the kitchen.